The red cap, the snow hat, the squid hat, and the tag beanie are the only one of one traits so far.
Dang, that's wild.
I like that red cap a lot.
I like the pirate eye, bro. I seen the pirate eye earlier too, but all right, let's I want to pull up CoinGecko, hop
Let's
right in here.
go.
I don't have too much time, so I'm probably gonna go over the my side of the chart super quick, but I do want to kind of go over some, what we're seeing here, dude. Still ISO 222 tokens flying, bro. Flying. Cardano cruising.
Damn.
Honest, I think, let me see. Let me double check. I checked these earlier. I want to say Cardano's all time high, or maybe a different. No, no, not Cardano. One of the other IOSO. This one, XLM, maybe. One of these is all time high right now. No, can't remember which one, but H bar is going up there,
113% in a week.
dude. I like, yeah, H bar is 113. I'm just cruising, bro. There we go.
Dang.
XRP, Cardano, Tezos ain't one.
Stellar.
Algorand
Holy
is
shit.
Quant. Yeah, dude.
Excellent.
That's what I'm saying. Took off.
That's crazy, bro. Let me look at that
Um,
chart.
Quant
Because
still going crazy.
I wish I scooped
Um,
more of these. I went more into the DeFi end of things, I guess. But
yeah, dude. Where's XRP at right now?
XRP's at a
Dollar
dollar
six,
61, bro. Dude, that's right at my
brother.
when we were looking at my chart yesterday, I think it was I had like three zones of exit, which was at like 85 cents, a dollar
Yeah,
20, and now we're right at the last zone of like where I would take profit. But I sold it like fucking 80
wow, bro,
cents.
dude. I told Matt earlier. He's like, yo, bro. What? How do you feel? I think about Maker. He said he like 1,500 in Maker. And I was like, honestly, bro, like I would forget about Maker at the moment. Like I'm not like not saying it won't, not that I'm not confident in it, but there's just the partnership didn't go so well, or not the rebranding didn't go so
Yeah,
well. Not a lot of action on them. They lost some partnerships, so they're
they
not
did
like,
lose some partnerships.
yeah, because they're not on DeFi Llama anymore. So
Oh yeah. Damn.
they're just losing some eyes too in that, and they're not getting as much action as some of these other ones are. These DeFi lending and protocols, but so dude, he threw the 1,500 into well, not Cardano, to GRT at like 20 cents or 21 cents today, bro. I think he said he's up like almost 10%
Oh shit,
on
we
his
up.
1,500 bucks already. So, dude, 150 bucks in a day, dude.
Yeah, we
On
up.
top of just real quick. And he's like, perfect. He texted me because I was at work, and he's like, bro, perfect timing. And I was like, man, you hit me up. I just told you that I was buying it too.
For real.
Because I also bought some, but I just didn't put as much into it. I guess I should have.
Bro, the three coins I've been screaming about the last couple weeks are finally starting to run. Oh my gosh, Chainlink's at almost 17 cents.
$16.
$17, yeah.
Holy,
Compound's up above 60. It went all the way to
that's
65 today.
that's nice to see, bro. GRT's
Bro,
pumping too.
you're telling me, man. I've watched everybody pump. So those not financial advice or whatever, blah blah blah. I only hold
Me?
Compound, Uni, Link, and Bitcoin. So like obviously I'm getting a little bit of Bitcoin right now, but seeing everything run, bro, that I like, dude, you know me. I held XRP. I was buying at like 30 cents back in
Yeah,
22.
dude.
Took a good amount of profit when it ran that first time, but still like, yeah, I'm glad. Yeah, Chainlink's at $17 now.
Honestly, bro, even Maker's back almost to 2K. It's coming up on it. But yeah, let me
Yeah.
pull this chart up here.
Ooh, Filecoin went on a little run.
I
Oh,
think
not
I meant to
really,
send this to
actually.
the chat actually. Let me
Weekly it
copy.
did a
Oh
bit,
wait,
but
I got the wrong shit shared. Stop share.
oh
Share.
yeah, I want to show something as well when you're done.
You can go ahead if you want. I'm gonna send this to the chat.
So I was on a Instagram live with DeFi Mike earlier, one of our mentors, and I asked him. I wasn't talking with him. I was just commenting down below, and it'd be cool to have an Instagram live with him.
Yeah.
Where's Compound at? So I asked him about Compound, what he felt about it, I'm gonna actually text him because he'll probably laugh because he talked about this earlier.
Right.
Um, Look at the total value locked compared to the market cap.
For which one?
This is compound.
Hold on one second.
There is 2 billion locked in compound
Yeah.
and only a 500 million market cap.
Wow.
Or yeah.
Wow.
Bro, you know how bullish that is?
That's insane, bro. And that's the
That
thing, dudes. Same thing with Maker probably. What's Maker look like? Actually, I'm curious.
I
I
want to
mean, I
look
know
at
that
Aave after this
what's
too.
their new, isn't there a
Holy
rebranding?
shit, they got 6 billion locked and a 1.4 billion market cap,
Wow.
which total value locked is capital deposited into the platform in the form of loan collateral or liquidity trading pool.
Yep.
And let's go to
And then
Aave.
what's their new, go to
Oh
the new
my
tickers.
gosh, bro. Aave's got 18 billion locked up and a 2 billion market cap. That's why
Wow.
it's been on a tear, bro. They got 18 billion.
Wow.
Circulating supply is 14 million out of the 16 million total supply.
Token, go look up Sky.
Hold on, I want to
Go,
see this real quick. Sky. 8 million circulating out of the 10 million supply for compound.
because Sky's the new Maker.
Oh yeah.
Sky
This
Coin, is that what?
Skycoin?
I think. No, go look at go to Make MKR.
Yeah,
Go to
yeah.
Maker, and then click it from there. Right there to top, yellow writing.
Okay.
Oh, click max. What is this?
Ooh, this is at all-time high right now. But it's
Yeah,
only been around since September.
yeah.
Oh,
When
they
is
don't
it?
have these tokenomics don't look. Oh wait, I scrolled past the tokenomics. Never mind.
No market cap.
I don't know. Tokenomics are.
They're a little off at the
I mean,
moment.
it's
They're
good to
just
see
too new.
all the tokens are released, which is good. It's not like they can release more and dump the price now.
Yeah,
But I'd be interested to see the allocation of these a million tokens
yeah.
or a billion tokens.
Billion.
Now I want to look at Maker again.
Let me. I'm gonna seal the screen back real
Go for it.
quick.
Can I share while you share?
Uh, I
You just
don't
have
know.
to you I think
I
because
think.
I'm still sharing, I think you can just transfer the room for us,
Yeah. Let me see. Are you?
which
Can
makes it
you?
easy.
I don't know which screen you can see.
Let me
You see
look
mine?
because now here. Let me stop sharing.
Give me
Yeah,
a
I see
minute.
CoinGecko. No, I
Okay,
see your
sweet.
ledger right now.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding.
I had it up earlier. That's why I was like, wait, huh?
Um, I think all your screens are sharing, so
Okay, that's fine.
because I can
All
see your
right,
background and everything.
sweet.
Bitcoin white paper. Put
Yeah, right.
that on your background.
Yeah, bro. You gotta have it. You gotta have it on deck, bro. For when the
Facts.
haters, for when the haters stop
Funny.
by, you gotta show them what's up. You gotta
I'm
show
about
them
to
the
pull
hardest
my ledger
asset,
up,
the
bro. Let's see
apex
what these
property on planet freaking Earth, dude.
see my
But
wallets are looking like. I haven't looked all day.
I'm gonna brief through pretty much all these charts so that way, so in the beginning, somebody can come here watch it, and then we can BS real quick after. Because usually I send them to the chat, but this time if they want to get them, they're gonna have to rewatch this, I guess. But honestly, bro, Aave on a long-term scale, right? Looking at it on a weekly, looks good, dude. I want to see it break back above here. And like you just said, dude, honestly, super bullish to see it all it kind of led really good into what we're gonna cover because Aave's that early indicator, bro. But if there's $2 billion locked up in Aave, people don't realize that you can pretty much leverage your money in these platforms like Aave, Compound, Maker, Liquidity, LQTY, I believe it is. I think I have it up here still. But even that one, bro, that one's kind of ran as well. I didn't know here. I
I don't
took
know. I
off.
have a biased opinion about that because it ruined DeFi Llama.
Yeah, right. I took over DeFi Llama. I originally bought in right here, so we'll
Oh,
see.
nice.
Nice little 70 center. But yeah, bro, it's ran. I like this project. It's similar to the other ones. Dude, it's as far as CoinGecko goes, actually I don't know where it sits, but I'd like to know. LQTY liquidity.
Let's go, dude. It's good to look at
Uh
my wallets today.
473. So it's a lower cap token, good tokenomics on it, and it's very similar. As far as total value locked, let's see. More than the market cap, which is again good to
Yeah,
see. Nice to see
443
that.
billion or
About
million. No, that's
4x.
billion.
Yeah, about 4x.
Or no, that's million, my bad.
Yeah, you're
443
good.
million compared to the 116 million market cap. That's good.
Yeah, bro. I love to see that actually. So,
What's
back over here to Trading View, I'm pretty bullish on this.
is that all the history?
Yeah, that's all the
What's
history I got.
CoinGecko's all-time high?
CoinGecko. Let's see.
Holy shit.
Oh God, bro. 146
Oh my
bucks.
God. Maybe you need I'm maybe you need to find a chart with more history.
Yeah, bro.
Doesn't
But
matter
this is
though.
interesting to see, man.
That's
I
crazy.
actually like this. We went over this actually on Monday Live with Bridge 3 Labs. I brought it up when we were going over CoinGecko. But as far as that goes, yeah, so Aave, bro, I like Aave. Aave looks like it's going to terrorize the markets, break back above the 178, and we'll continue back up to here, the 216 to the 236. We'll throw some little lines on there. So in case anybody wants to see that real quick or screenshot the video later on. Cardano, bro. Cardano's running. It's great. ISO 222 token running into a nice zone
Man.
though. You see where we're at in a weekly, bro. This is beautiful, right? If you throw a fib on here, we're gonna pull up perfect. Oop, not really, because this is in the way.
Bro, that's crazy. I know Kurt Cobain's going crazy right now.
Yeah, dude. I mean, look at this. If we break this $1.12 level, bro, it's on, bro. And what people aren't realizing, dude, look at the history right here, right? Look at the comparison, Garrison. That rhymed actually. But look at this.
Oh, yeah,
Look
yeah, yeah. Go over
right
to
here.
the left a little bit more.
To the left a little more.
Yeah, I want to see all that. Okay.
But dude, I
Okay.
mean, we were up here at 40
Dude,
cent
that's
level
crazy, bro. That
back
we
in
were down there at those
2018.
levels.
And dude,
That
this
looks similar to Bitcoin's chart, actually.
bro just took off. And dude, it's almost a spitting image, same levels, Garrison. Look at this
That's
actually.
crazy, bro.
Look, look at this purple line.
For real. Legit, dude. Oh my gosh.
If history repeats itself, we'll see another, touch to that purple level. Um, Wow, dude, that's insane. I want to see us break through here like nothing happened. I want to see it just plow through. That'll be honestly super dope. Does look like we're seeing a little resistance. I think we have the next day candle. When does that open? Or is this it right here? Yeah, it's the next day. That's tomorrow's candle. So actually, wow, bullish. Bullish tomorrow candle already. 13 up 13%, bro. A 13% move. Wow.
Today only? Damn.
Yeah, I mean that's what I mean, unless this is wrong, bro, that can't be wrong,
No, and
right?
that's actually technically like tomorrow's candle.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. So like, you know,
So like in the last hour, bro.
wow, that is gnarly.
Go to the hourly chart.
Let's see where we're sitting. Okay.
Yeah, bro, that's all. That's like a 1 hour time frame right there.
30 still sitting there too. Um,
Damn.
dang, brother.
Yeah, we have
That's
room to run if we can hold above that 1.2 level or 1.12 right there.
yeah, bro. If we break above that, I want to see us run, bro. Run up to firstly, I want to see if we how we play off of that 148, but I think we'll probably run a little closer up towards, yeah, honestly, about these levels. Um, Algo's running too. That's ISO 222
Yeah,
compliant token.
man. One of my question to you and really anybody is um oh sorry, I just saw the chat.
Yeah.
is altcoins. Like, will these altcoins, in my opinion, it's hard to believe that they won't, but do you think altcoins will come back to all-time highs again?
Certain ones for sure, bro. Certain ones for sure.
Like the
Like,
top, what do you think? Like the top 20, top 50? Obviously, I know it's complete a guess at this point, but
yeah, part of me wants to say, like, dude, nah, they're all gonna, you know? Like, part of me wants to say that, but the other part of me is like, you know, I mean, look at the memes, right? Look at the pretty much any memes I feel like are running, bro. The chill guy, like, dude, the narratives happen so quick, so fast, boom,
oh, is that a
over. They're
meme
gonna
token too?
the chill guy thing. Yes,
Dang,
that's
I
where it
missed the
came
whole
from,
meme
bro. It's
token
in
part.
crypto. It's a joke, or maybe somebody made a meme out of it after. But I seen it as a token before I seen it as the meme.
Damn, that's
And so,
crazy.
so
I
yeah,
love
bro.
those memes.
Yeah, dude. Like, oh, I'm just a chill guy, but they're funny, bro. They're
Yeah,
funny.
bro,
So,
it's crazy. I think within the next 5 to 10 years, a lot of altcoins will see all-time highs for sure,
yeah,
if
yeah. I want
not
to
all of
see.
them.
I
But
want
you
to see
can't say all of
Algo
them because there's like fucking how many coins are there?
15,000 on CoinGecko and some change.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to
Fifteen
look.
thousand five 56.
Where do you, oh yeah, I see it now. Yeah.
Right at the top left. Exchanges, market cap,
Oh, look at the
24
pull up
hour
the
volume.
market cap chat or chart. Market
Yeah,
cap chart. I
let's
see his
see.
tail wagging around, Jack.
Can you hear my background noise at all or no?
Nah,
Sick. Okay,
my
good.
dog's actually chilling on the bed right now, surprisingly.
Wow. This is crazy, bro.
Dude, that
Th-
is good to see. Go to the daily and well, when you're done, I just want to see like the break it down on the smaller time frames where
Yeah,
we are now.
let's
Cause
see.
like and then eventually go to the 30-minute.
I want to do this right here too. See a little fib, if that fib extension. Look at that. Perfect. I had a feeling, bro. Honestly, look at.
Oh, yep.
That's why I drew it up. So I'm like, wait a
Damn,
second.
bro.
That looks like a familiar zone. I feel like I've seen a circle before. This looks like a circle to me. That's how that felt. But dude, look at the precision, dude. Absolute precision.
That is crazy. Go to the
Bro.
30-minute now.
Let's see.
Damn. So what you think we go down to 3.2 and pump back
I mean,
up?
dude, honestly, I wouldn't be mad about it. Um, at this point, any move down wouldn't be like I wouldn't even be upset about, bro. Like it's hard to be sad when every trade I've ever taken in this crypto market's up. Like,
It's hard to be
bro.
down at this point.
Yeah, dude, the market would have to like literally come down, to this back to over here, bro, to 1.8 for me to be down. Like I'm up, bro. So like honestly, it's kind of just a weird thing because like I feel like my emotions are out of it a lot more now. When the
Yeah, I
market
feel
was
you.
back down here, bro, I was a lot more emotional. Like I felt like, dude, it was easier to get persuaded by a narrative, something on the news. Oh, you broke a level, it looks good, and you could just because you wanted it to go up, it didn't go up, and like, dude, it was everything, bro. You're facing all those emotions, but now it's like, bro, I'm can't even lose. It will be like almost impractical at this point because
Yeah.
my position where I'm entry, my dollar cost average levels on all the trades. So now
And
looking at the market for me, I don't know if you feel the same way, but like, dude, I wouldn't be mad if it retraced all the way back to 2.5, bro. Dropped $1 trillion in market cap. Is it like because I'm sure if we flip the script here and throw it here, it's probably about a 50%. Yeah,
I would not mind to see a
look, almost
16K Bitcoin
exactly
again because if we saw
2.5.
16K Bitcoin again,
Hmm.
I'm buying that motherfucker.
Yeah,
But we're never
only
seeing
in
that
your
again.
worst nightmare you'd see that.
No, yeah, no, and I agree. Like my emotions at this point, I've been trading for 4 years, bro, which is
Yeah,
crazy to think about,
yeah.
and almost
At
five.
least at least four, bro.
Yeah, I'd have to think about it for
Because I've been
sure.
in this Christmas will be 4 years for me in Florida. So 4 plus. You're
And
probably looking closer
you've
to
been
five.
trading for a decade now, huh?
Yeah, bro. Next
That's
year will be a decade
crazy.
for 10 years.
Damn, bro.
Fucking I'm old, bro.
It's all starting to pay off now. You can't get over, there's no such thing as a overnight rich, but
No.
um yeah, no, I agree. I think my emotions have been kind of taken out of it at this point. And also another thing like in my head is I don't really plan on selling, bro. So like my idea is to just buy and hold for the next 5 to 10 years, ideally.
Yeah,
I mean,
honestly, I'm there with you, bro.
I might move in and out of coins, kind of day trade a little, not really day trade. I'll call it like a kind of weekly, monthly trade, move
Yeah.
shit around, but
Look at this though. This is the alt market cap, excluding, you can see it in the background in gray. Crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH. This is alts.
that's
Alts
good to
have not
see.
reached an all-time high. This is good news. That
That
means
is.
we're about to send, brother. And look at the chart here, bro. We broke above here. And honestly, dude, even if we were to slow down, retrace back down here, that would be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
It'd
And like,
probably be better to see that now than it
yeah.
wanting to come back down this level a year later.
And to be honest with you, bro, we're at like a perfect level to do that. And
Oh shit, yeah.
isn't it
Nice little.
funny, bro? Isn't it kind of insane to see how precise some of these like extensions are and some of these levels are when we throw this up here? And we've never seen, you know, market come back up this high since our
Now,
all-time high levels.
now take your
So like
fib from that left part to the all-time highs, all the way to the left, and see where the accumulation phase was.
here,
Wherever you would normally put it.
right,
Yeah,
almost a
look at
perfect
that,
touch.
bro.
And I mean, this is rough. I mean, I just slapped it on, dude.
Right.
I mean, that's actually pretty good. I mean, I'd probably leave it as far as that goes. But dude, I mean, it's pretty solid. I mean, I would have been buying, we were like
Yeah.
this whole time, dude. I mean, the rest of the total market cap during that time frame, I mean, it probably was in a similar spot. It's probably in a very similar spot. I would imagine it's, yeah, look, almost dead
Yeah,
nuts,
look at that
bro.
all-time high back in 2018. Like put a line right over that.
On this one,
Yeah, put a line like going to the right and left or whatever.
like
Yeah,
this.
perfect. And look at where we tap off of.
And even here, right? You do the same thing here. From I'll probably use this bottom, honestly, even though it's still, I mean, look.
Still, yeah.
But dude, it's so text, dude. It's honestly at this point, bro. It's literally like I think of it like the game of a toddler plays where they have all the shapes and they're trying to put them in the holes, like a square or a circle or a triangle. And it's honest to God that simple. Like that's how simple it is in my head. And when you start looking at the markets more and more, I mean, this has been 10 years. It's literally that game. Bro, we've been playing that same. Oh, dude, look at it. It's a square. I just drew the fib retracement as a joke, bro. And I was like, honestly, bro, this kind of looked like I drew it on
Oh,
here because I'm like, dude, it looks like a perfect extension level. And sure shit, it was. It just you can see it almost, bro, in the market. Like, why is it stopping there? Watch this. And so it's kind of funny in a
go
way too.
to my bad.
No, you're good.
Go to Uniswap and draw a trend line on the weekly time frame from the top to the bottom.
From this way.
You're on oil, but
Oops. Thanks.
yeah, look at it's about to break a nice trend line from right at that like $30 range. I took a trend line from there down to where we're at now.
Oh yeah, bro. About to flip the script, brother. And again, I mean, dude, look where we took off the first time. Very,
For
very
real.
pattern
Legit.
like, boom, boom, boom. How many entries did you want? Got plenty, plenty of plenty of opportunities. Even now, dude, a $10 Uniswap is honest to God. I mean, it's fire. Let's pull it up here, right? We pulled up on here. Um, I
Oh
gotta
yeah,
stop
we
saying
didn't
that
look
so
at that
much.
tokenomics.
Yeah, pull it up here.
But Uniswap's not a DeFi protocol, so it's going to be different with the
No, but
total
look,
value locked, which
yeah,
still
I know it's
surprises me.
Right. That's honestly pretty high. I mean, that's a good number, bro. I mean, that's a huge
24-hour
liquidity.
trading volumes,
And
780 million, bro.
and if we go like this and search by category, look how much larger if it loads. Any minute now. Come on. All right, maybe this. All right, I guess I'm getting rugged by the internet.
You're spitting
But
too many facts, bro.
yeah, I guess so, bro. Here we go. But decentralized exchanges, dude, look at market cap.
Yeah, bro. I've never really, I mean, I've heard of those Thorchain and Radium,
Insane.
Jupiter a bit, but other than
Right.
that, I haven't really heard of any.
Yeah, Radium's fire. Radium's I think gonna flip Thorchain like dude, Thorchain, you would think
It's like 2
Pancake
million
Swap.
market cap off,
I
200
would have thought
million.
sushi 1 inch
Oh,
curve,
1 inch.
Pancake
Yeah, bro. I
Swap.
forgot about those and
I would have
synthetics.
yeah, I would have thought they would have been there, honestly.
Yeah, that's
Even Loopring.
surprising.
Remember Loopring?
Yep,
0x protocol. Like, dude, there's a lot of Fire Proj sushi, sushi balancer. Balancer's a fucking number 400 token, dog.
that's crazy. That could be,
Um,
that has potential to be top 100. All of these do, though.
yeah,
Top 50
trending.
even.
Look, curve trending.
Uniswaps, Tyler, I know you know this, but they've done more transactions a day than MasterCard and
Yep.
Visa and
Visa
shit are in the top of the
combined.
bear market or bull market.
Yeah. Um, Bitcoin dominance. This is something I want to look at too. So Bitcoin dominance, bro, still holding that 60%, which is kind of unique to see as well. I want to see the Sol dominance here. Sol dominance flipped, retest, take off, dog. I don't want to get rid of my soul, bro. Can't sell
No,
my
never
soul.
sell your soul, dude.
Never sell your soul, bro. That's a Soul Maxis motto.
I should
But
have some, but
I'm I think, bro, Soul's gonna take a large percentage of the market cap here. XRP terrorizing the market. But again, perfect levels on a weekly, dude. Textbook play. You delete all the chaos in between, and it's get rid of
bro, the
this.
fact that XRP is chilling right there now, crazy. We never thought we'd saw it, bro.
I
We'd see
know.
it. We never thought we'd see it.
We never thought we would saw it.
We were in accumulation phase for XRP for what I would consider an accumulation phase for 917 days, bro.
I would call it a little more actually. Yeah, no, you're right. I didn't measure from really over here.
I took it from that candle, that wick. Yeah, all the way to where we are, right there.
Yep, 9, 10, 9, 17, whatever you're measuring by. But yeah, man,
Crazy.
it's almost 3, 6, 9, 3 years, bro.
I just
Almost
realized I had like a little bearish wedge here that it broke too.
right
XRP, if
here.
you take it from that high or not high, but 130, like 140, like go back up a little more.
I'm gonna put
Yeah,
over here
right
too.
there. And then the accumulation phase. Or I went even down to that 30, 28 cent range
What
kind
this
of.
way?
Yeah, yeah, keep going down. Yeah, move it all below everything.
Ah, okay, I see what you're saying. Like this. On the bottom side?
Yeah. Yeah, the bottom side.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now take
Like
that other
that.
point up to the.
This way?
Yes, sir. Look at that. Yeah,
Yeah,
you could put it anywhere in
that's
there really, because you could even take it back to that before that initial, like a first all-time high. But
I mean, even this, bro, you could even leave it here and call that, dude, this would be a still, touch here, wick down, fire wick.
I said
Um,
bye bye.
and honestly, bro, now, yeah, I mean, this isn't even a very accurate candle. Actually, yeah, it is. It's pretty close. But this is this is interesting. I can't believe, bro, in 2 weeks, a 2 week span.
Bro, I don't, your chart doesn't have this history, but In 2017, it went up from 24 cents to in 4 weeks. It went up to $3.32. I use Bitstamps.
Let's stamp this one.
Yeah,
I was
that's what I
using the
use for
spot.
XRP.
What's up, buddy? You guys laying down watching Mario? I'll be out there in a minute.
Ask him what he thinks about Bitcoin.
What do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think about Bitcoin? What makes you rich, bro? That's what we're looking at. You should buy some with your money. Don't you got like 150 bucks?
I have 165.
Okay, well, you should buy Bitcoin with it because your 165 bucks ain't doing nothing, brother. Take that tooth fairy money, put it to good use.
Trying to get
Maybe another couple days. Let's see here. He's like, what's
Thanks,
that?
Kenny. Hi,
You're
buddy.
about to find out, brother. You're about to find out what Bitcoin really is. Dude, Soul Chat though. Soul Chat's another good one, bro. I like it. On the daily, it looks a little bit more appealing than on the weekly. But dude, came down here, nice accumulation zone. Another retrace back down into here. I have a little bit of this, dude. I have like 50 bucks worth.
Go.
Just to like entertain the degen in me. Like I need something, bro. Like, hey, look at the Doge. But dude, yeah, comp's looking good, bro. Comp's looking good. I want to see us break that red level, that 63.40. Still kind of holding it there. This might even be a rough level too. Uh
He
ENS,
keeps
ENS
licking me,
is
dude. I hate being licked by dogs, dude.
you
Okay,
gotta get a
I
lick
see
collar,
you.
bro. It's like a shock collar. Just kidding. Let's see. ENS, bro. What a fire touch. Wick down, touch that level. Kind of taking off. We break that 2150, bro. We're probably back up to here the 30s. I like that too. ETH. What is ETH doing, bro? Why is ETH not doing what it's supposed to be doing?
That's what altcoins are waiting on for real.
Bro, I just consider it to be
Or
downtrending
my feud.
still. It's technically still downtrending. It's never uptrended just yet. We have
Yeah, no,
not
you're right.
we've not uptrended. I mean, we broke this high here, but I mean on a long-term scale, bro, on a weekly chart, we're not doing so hot. I think we're gonna break it though. Obviously I don't think East going anywhere by any means. It's just, dude, I don't know why it's going so slow. I want to see actually this as well. Let's see. I'm gonna add it.
Maybe it's Solana,
I think it is, dude. Solana's at all-time highs. You gotta keep that in mind.
right? So I'm saying Solana's doing its thing, and
Why did it do that, bro? Where did it add it? E BTC. Yeah, look at this.
yeah, that's bound to change here soon.
You think? You think more people are gonna start buying ETH over Bitcoin? Or do you think this chart continues to go down, bro?
I mean, it's at a nice little reversal zone there, and it would make sense to see ETH actually
Yeah,
freaking run right now.
but like, bro, like that's like there's no major up movement that you see here, like on the Sol dominance, bro. Like completely different chart. There's not much interest in ETH this time around. But I think you're right, bro. I think I think that's kind of holding it back at the moment. I think the alts, some of these alts, not all of them. Didn't I just have it on there, bro? What am I doing wrong? Here we go. ETH dominance is coming down still. Not sweet to see. But that's why you're also seeing that ETH rejection
It's a
too
good
at that
spot
that
there.
level. What'd you say?
Those dominance charts are at a decent spot for a run back up, though.
Yeah, I haven't put a fib on it. I mean, dude, I think it could still run down.
Yeah,
And think about it too, Garrison. So if Solana keeps
could for
running,
sure.
think about it. Like if Ave keeps running and Maker doesn't, wouldn't you assume Ave and Compound would run? Or
It
like
better fucking compound better run, bro.
I think I'm pretty sure, dude, it's gonna. I think even Maker's going to. Maker would just scared us because it ran the tokenomics, bro, the tokens.
Oops.
I think it's gonna make another fast move up. Who knows? But
Yeah, usually, yeah. If ETH does, Maker will. So,
but yeah, I don't know,
but
man.
yeah, you're right. Could see a little bit, maybe January, February, ETH starts to move, and then the alts follow shortly behind it.
I would hope so. Some of that's probably why some of these are like uni. Um, like what else did you what compound
Compound and Chainlink.
even Ave, right? You see Ave run because you can bring more than just ETH to it. And same thing with compound, I believe as well. But I'm curious to see how much ETH is locked up in their platform specifically. Forget the rest of the tokens. Let's see, FIDA, bro. FIDA I sent to the chat. Crevo is requesting it. I sent it there. He said he's got a decent chunk in there, so sent it.
That's my
Still,
boss. That's who
yeah.
employs me.
Hell yeah, bro. What a good guy. But yeah, I think he's holding into here. So dude, fire zone still too. I love FIDA, bro. Even to see nice move back up here, bro. That's 100% return. Almost. Just
Yeah,
close.
bro, that's not
Back to
bad.
50, 45. But that's a nice play. I think we could definitely see that. I mean,
That's a
even over
nice
here.
spot right there for sure.
Yeah, and it's a good project. It's just a little slept on at the moment. As Solana continues to grow, that project will gain attraction because it's the same thing as ENS
Right. That's
for
what I was
ETH.
just about to double
And
check.
we see this. It just ran up to $34, I think on a all-time scale. Yeah, I mean it was up there at one point.
Oh, I
So
remember I listed that Solana name you
GRT,
sent me. Wonder if it's still.
GRT's looking nice. Look at that, bro. GRT's on the run. I might have to buy more. Oh gosh. I just got a notification 20 minutes ago. Uniswap up 5% in the last 4 hours.
Yeah, bro. Chainlink and Uni and Compound finally ran today.
H bar looks like it's gonna go, bro.
God damn it.
H bar could go. Dude, we were playing on this one early on too. I actually think we were buying. I want to say, oh my God, we were, bro. 4 cents.
Yeah, bro,
I
you
want to be
talked a
sick.
lot about that. I remember.
I want to be sick if this hits a buck, bro.
How I feel
Oh,
about Solana or
brother.
XRP right now.
Because
But
I was,
hey, we can't catch them all.
no, dude.
That's a rule of trading right there. And DeFi Mike even said it today. You can't buy every coin. You cannot buy
No,
every coin. So
no, you can't, bro. It's, and that's the thing too, actually. I got in a call with another guy in the group chat. I won't say his name, but cool guy, dude. Awesome guy. I'm glad he's in there. And dude, he's grateful to be in there too. But he was asking me some questions today, and I told him, I'm like, dude, we're talking about it right now, but like I'm almost on a decade of trading, bro. These feelings will never go away. The
facts.
wanting to be able to buy everything, like feeling like you're missing out. Like, damn, is it too late? Should I swap it to here? What do I do with my profit? Like, bro,
You're gonna
that feeling will never disappear. I'm 10 years deep on this. The
yeah,
only thing that changes is you learn how to act on those emotions. You realize you don't need to react to those emotions. You learn how to act on them instead of react. Because if you react, that's when other bad things happen. Yeah, dude, it just after 10 years you would think like, oh, dude, there's like you finally just, they go away. It doesn't, dude. It's a forever game. In football, you could break your knee and be done forever. You could, pull your Achilles and never shoot another basketball. You could die in a plane crash. Sorry, Kobe. Using an example, but you can die in a
damn.
plane crash, helicopter crash, and never see a court again. Um, but this is a forever game, bro. This is a game. Doesn't matter if you don't have legs anymore, bro. Something happens, you get paralyzed, you can still use a computer. There's ways. I've seen people. There's a guy on TikTok that like streams and does DJing with his tongue. Bro kills it.
It's
But
crazy.
there's always you got to be grateful, bro. And that's ultimately this is a forever game. It doesn't matter where you are in life, who you are, what you look like, where you've been, what you've been through. This is a game everybody can play, and it's a forever one. It doesn't matter how old you are. You just have to be able to be disciplined and grow as a person. The more you start to trade, the more you realize trading has nothing to do with money, actually. Trading has everything to do with learning about yourself, bro. You got to learn you're greedy, bro. You got to be able to admit it too, right? I'm fucking greedy. Trust me. I see the chart. Everybody sees, I'm up 2,600%, and I'm over here sick. I
Still
missed out on
waiting for more.
100%. Yeah, I'm sick, bro. Like I'm over here sick. Like, oh, dude, I missed this, dude. Like, should I buy it? I made a 2,600% return, brother. People, nobody does that. Like, it's like a rare thing to happen. And I'm over here itching like I missed something, bro. Like that's like the perspective when you realize like, dude, fuck, I'm greedy, bro. Like kind of a crackhead on greed, dude. Like, like I just straight line a crack hit, but it's that's that feeling. And when you have to learn how to act on those emotions, because if you are always greedy and you know you're greedy, but you need to realize because you're greedy, you need to take action at certain points in time. That's okay. You can be that and you can always continue that, but you need to learn how to understand and know when it's time to act, when it's time to be disciplined, when you can risk a little. You got to risk a little. You got to have fun. Rule number one's have fun. Don't you know? You can't sacrifice everything. So everybody's got their vice. Keep a few. It's life. You never know what could happen. But ultimately, it's trading is nothing to do with money. And the faster you realize that, the faster it is to understand these charts because the ego in the charts makes you want to know what's happening. But to really, any true trader knows they have no idea what the market's going to do. I have no clue, bro. I couldn't tell, dude, the market could crash tomorrow. I don't know. Nobody does. And to say you do would be wrong. This is a game of probability. It's a game of patterns. And the faster you learn those simple rules and get rid of everything else, the emotions, forget about that, the easier this game becomes because ultimately trading is a game. The same thing with basketball. Basketball is a game, right? If you want to play basketball, you need to know where out of bounds is. You need to know that you can't just run with the ball. You got to freaking dribble, bro. Pull a crossover, step back jumper. Like, you can't just run
Facts.
with the ball. You got to understand the rules. What's a technical foul? Like, what's a free, when do you get to shoot a free throw? These are just simple things you would think for anybody that knows sports, but you wouldn't be able to play that game if you didn't know them. And same thing with trading. You have to know the rules. You have to understand the game. You need to know what's out of bounds. What's a bad idea? A bad idea, bro, is to, go all in on the meme coin. Like you want to have some type of
And
foundation.
yeah, with your rent money or some.
Yeah, don't use your rent money to trade. If you got bills, bro, you need to pay your bills. Find out how to get less bills faster. That way you have more money to invest and to learn about money because money is a tool, just like a pencil. Money can be used multiple things. With a pencil, you could write a paragraph, you could write a story, you could write a book, you could write a lot of things. You could draw a picture, create art. You could be Picasso, all with a pencil. Or you could take that same pencil and, probably stab him in the eye and kill him. Like it could be a tool for ultimately anything. And same thing with money. Money can be a tool. You could go build a school, a church, give it away, give back to the community, or you could try to keep it all for yourself. You could be, greedy. You could be, um, what is it? Not Scrooge. What's the word? Frugal. Not want to spend it. Like, bro, we're not here forever. That's why I always say have fun. You gotta have a couple vices. I don't tell you not to. Everybody's got one. Um, they don't want to admit it, but the faster you do, and the faster you understand that, the faster you can be more disciplined around yourself and become the person that makes money trading. Because not everybody does. Sometimes people buy, right? The mark. Somebody might like this could be a real possibility, bro. FOMO is hitting hard with everybody, even me. But I say normies because there's probably more of them than me because I feel the FOMO, but I'm not gonna act on it. That's the problem. Right now, majority of people could be like, dude, I can't, I need to buy XRP. This could be a great level for XRP to see a nice retracement.
I even want to buy XRP right now, but
So,
I'm not gonna.
I know, bro. That's so like, dude, and it might not. That's the thing. I don't know. You have to wait. You have to be patient. You have to read the market. But some people will buy this. Imagine you put 100K in this and you lose 24K right off the bat. How do you feel about crypto?
Right, it's a scam.
Right? Because you bought it at a bad time. You bought it when be out of FOMO, out of fear. When in reality, you should have been a little patient or dollar cost average in, bro. Don't if you got 100K, don't fucking put the whole 100K in one position. Like, bro, put 20 racks in here just in case it, and then if it breaks above here and then you see it continues up, okay, add into your position. Michael Saylor just bought $4.5 billion at 88,000 Bitcoin,
Damn.
and you're scared to buy a $1.60 XRP. like like it's you gotta understand perspective too. Like that's the biggest thing. But gotta do a little spiel there, bro. But it's it's the little things sometimes. People forget about the foundational stuff. Everybody focuses on money, thinks about money, emotions of money. They don't think about who am I as a person when it comes to money. How have I normally been with money? Am I good with money? Do I have no money because I've made poor choices and I spend my whole page like that? These are real things. Like people know nobody tells you to think about this. Nobody ever majority of people never even want to think about it because they don't have any. The average person doesn't have $1,000 to save themselves in a hard time. Like that's that's a big deal. And if majority of people don't have that, it's because of their mindset on money, what they think about money, who they are with money, their habits. We're habitual beings. Everything you do on a daily basis is who you are. If you don't like who you are, if you're fat, overweight, you don't like how you look, brother, check your habits. What are you eating? Have you touched a weight? Have you done a sit up, a push up, maybe? Like, dude, it's so simple. Like, but people never are taught these things. We're always taught everything else, kind of computerized beings by the system. And honestly, bro, it's trading is everything about you. It's about your habits. You have bad habits, they'll show in the charts. You'll buy it $1.60 and XRP will retrace 25% and you're gonna be hurt. Then you're gonna have no liquidity to buy more.
Preach,
Like,
brother, preach.
I'm
yeah,
impatient and it shows me how impatient I am a lot of the time.
and
Oh
Especially
man,
leverage trading, bro. Leverage trading is not a game for the impatient.
no, dude, you gotta really understand yourself as a person and be able to be disciplined no matter who you are as a person. And honestly, Garrison, I feel like having the background of being addicted to, external substances, dude, I feel like that gives us such a high advantage because you know the feeling of being attached to something
Yeah, for
and
real.
you can, but when it's not like a physical external substance, when it's like something on the chart or like money, you have control, like more control over it. Like it's not something that like has control over you. And like you can be attached to it as much as you want, but you still have control over it. And like that's kind of the I feel like it gives a little bit of an advantage. I'm not saying go get an addiction and cure it, but like like it's honestly, bro, it gives like it's like flipping your bias. It's like when you flip the chart upside down, it gives you a different perspective. And
Facts.
in when you realize like bro you're addicted to the wrong habits because some addictions are good, so being addicted to going to the gym and lifting weights and eating healthy, like being addicted to doing good things is a positive. I think people have this negative connotation on the word addiction. If you become addicted to the right things, because we're all habitual beings, we do things on a habit. The way you brush your teeth, put your pants on, people don't realize they're addicted to doing it the same way, otherwise they would do it a different way every day. You're addicted to it. It's a good thing to be addicted to things, but there's good ones and bad ones. In understanding how to utilize, um, really, it's a blessing to be concentrated, have concentrated focus on something, and be completely obsessed with an idea. Like I'm actually sitting next to a quote right here, right? It's from Steve Jobs. I'm going to read it because I think it's very fitting for the moment. This will be the final thought on the spiel. But it says, "Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs and the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius because the ones who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the only ones who do so. And
It's
and
facts.
in in your beliefs, sometimes you have to be a little bit crazy in your conviction. You have to be a slightly crazy because you're only crazy until you're right. And in that positive circumstance, you're only crazy, right? We only sounded crazy telling people to buy Bitcoin at 15K until now. Now he was like, fuck, I should have
I
listened to
know.
that guy. How do you think those people on the yacht feel, bro, or on the cruise? How do you think they're looking at the
Legit.
chart? They're
Yeah, I
sick.
don't know if Set Sailor Jack heard this, but when I was on a cruise, March of 22, March of 22. Wait, wait. March of
Um,
23, my bad. Yeah, March of 23 is when I was on a cruise. Bitcoin is right at an accumulation level, like right legit right where I started buying 20K, dropped down to yeah, right around that 20K area. I was on a cruise screaming to everybody buy Bitcoin. I had good debates. They weren't like, where we were being toxic and like Bitcoin stupid, traditional finance stupid. No, they were good debates and I'm like, backing my points and everything of that sort. And they're like, yeah, maybe one day I'll buy it. And now now I know they're thinking of me now when Bitcoin's at 100K. Back when I was yelling, telling them to buy at 20K. So yeah,
Wow.
on a cruise, there's a lot of people that got good money too, and these people were talking how big they are in the stock market and everything. I'm like, it's not a bad bet. The stock market is not a bad bet, but I feel like Bitcoin's better.
how the tables
Hmm.
have tabled.
Hey, people keep forgetting the fact that before everything was blowing up, XRP was number two, was number two on the chart of the coins. And the reason why what happened was because the SEC obviously pulled in the reins and was like, all right, you guys are doing too good, making a lot of good things,
Right?
and and right now people are like, man, it was just like at 50 cents, like literally like 2 weeks ago,
Legit.
and you know, it's just mainly because I wasn't discouraged because I was a long-term holder, and I guess it played in the part in the fact that no matter what the market did, no matter what it did, at some point I knew that it would have to come back because it was under pressure. They were being sued from every angle, and we still don't know a lot what's going to happen. But basically, for me, it didn't basically scare me or phase me to the extent of me wanting to sell. Because I was around that time when it was $3, but I didn't buy. I didn't buy at that time. And this was literally like the opportunity for me. Wow, it's so cheap right now. I'm just gonna keep going more and more and more and more. It's the best financial investment I have ever made in my life. It just proves to show that dollar cost averaging, whether it's been after like after you're saying like after 4 years of dollar cost averaging, you should see huge returns. Huge returns. Doesn't matter if it's a bearish, bullish market, you will see returns with crypto.
It's facts. And I saw Jack, he did have a question. I don't know if he's still here, but um if you can still hear us, feel free to jump in and speak, ask the question, comment in it or whatever.
Hey,
Was good.
what's
What's
up?
up, brother?
But yeah, I had a question going back to you were talking about FOMO, greed, all that good stuff, the emotions in the
Yeah.
market. Like with your experience and all that stuff, like what was your best play to like eliminating all that and becoming a better trader?
It's
My recommendation, well, not really a recommendation, how I went about it is when I got into Bitcoin and everything and crypto, we were kind of on the downtrend. Like I said, I got in about, 2021, 2022. I was kind of studying throughout 21, 22, and then I I started buying the dip, which seemed to never end till now, but was buying the dip and all I did was trust the technology. I knew Bitcoin would be here. I knew this stuff would be around. Um, that's easy, a lot easier said than done. It's also very easy to do when you're just dollar cost averaging. When it comes to leverage trading, that's a lot different of a story. But just trusting your gut, trusting the technology, doing the actual research so that you feel comfortable that you could maybe argue with, like, this is why I believe in Bitcoin, or that you feel comfortable enough where, you understand that it's going to be around for a long term. And I feel like at this point it's inevitable. Mostly everybody thinks and knows that crypto is going to be around. So
can
I'd like to hear
can you
what
see my
Tyler
whole
has to say.
screen?
Yeah, I see everything.
Okay. Yeah, no, Garrison, you made a good point. Yeah, having a little bit of research, right? If you can argue your point, you're a little more confident in anything. If you know politics and you can argue your side a little better, you can make the other guy look dumb, even if you're wrong. Like you could, all you have to do is know politics a little bit. You got to understand both sides. And for crypto specifically, you got to understand money a little bit, like gold. You look
Oh,
at gold, the
yeah, it's
history
good.
of gold, the history of money. There's a good book, or even if you just listen to Michael Saylor enough, bro, you don't even really need to read the book. The Bitcoin Standard. It's an amazing book, bro. The first couple chapters really start teaching about what money is, where it started, bro. It used to be limestone rocks on an island called the Yap Island. Those are some of the first money. Like imagine, bro, you're using rocks, limestone rocks as money. They're little rocks with the holes in them. They almost look like a peach ring. Like that's like limestone rocks. But they use those, but the FOMO goes and that it's hard, bro, because that actual feeling doesn't go
Go.
away. It's like
Sorry.
it's
Talking to
like
my dog.
the feeling like imagine a roller coaster, right? You get on a roller coaster, you get the feeling of excitement, or you get to see your family, or you're going to do something cool. You're going on vacation next week, bro. Like that feeling you get, those feelings never go away. You're always gonna have that feeling, no matter how many vacations you take, or no matter how many times you go see your family. Like every emotion you experience, those will always be there. You can't get rid of them. That's part of being a human. So like the FOMO, you can't escape it. You just understand that like Garrison said, right? If the confidence in it in perspective. In the because the FOMO part, bro, I mean, I'm like I said, I'm up 2,600% on one trade, and I still am over here complaining about missing 100% return. 100% return, bro. Like I'm over like I still feel like, ah, fuck, bro. And I've been, this is almost 10, I'm just shy of 10 years doing it. And you would think like eventually it goes away, but that's when over time you learn that trading is emotional, right? It's something we attach emotions to a money. And when you realize money's a tool, sorry, my cats are boxing behind me. When you realize money's a tool, you're not scared of losing it. If you are scared of losing it, it's because of your mindset on money. It means you think there'll never be any more. Why would you think there's never going to be any more for you? Because if you think that about money, you have a lacking mindset about money. You don't have a reason to have it. Like the universe, and dude, as crazy as this sounds, the universe, like it comes down to like these foundational things, spiritual, religious, like it depends on who you are, what you believe in the universe. If you don't believe in any of it, there's, everything happens for a reason. Whatever you believe in, it happens for some type of reason. I don't know which one, but it happens for one of them. And the universe isn't just crazy enough to reward people who are undeserving. Like, bro, if you have plans for it to do, like, if you have a reason to need more money, and even not needing it, sometimes you can make money. You just put your money in the right place. And even that, it's not luck, bro, because luck is where preparation and opportunity meet. We have the best opportunity of a lifetime right now. It's the largest transfer of wealth in the entire world. Some people will watch it happen. Some people are gonna make it happen, and some people are gonna wonder what the fuck just happened. Like, and you can be on three sides. You could, and when you look at the perspective of things, bro, this is why I pulled my chart up originally. Like when I first got into crypto, this is the Bitcoin chart we're looking at. This was the price of Bitcoin, bro. This is when I first started trading XRP. This is where Bitcoin was. So if we play this, and I think on the weekly it might play a little quicker. If we play this, I traded like 2 or 3 times. I bought XRP, only made a couple $100 on it, bro. I didn't make a bunch of money in crypto the first bull run. I watched it really happen. So I'm gonna go a little faster because I don't want to sit here like it's a fun movie. Go a little bit quicker. But I really watched this whole first thing happen. And as the market came up, right, we came down here, touched one more time, like almost 3,500. I watched all this, bro. Watched all of it, watched all my mentor. I was trading Forex instead, like a fucking genius. That was a joke. Should have bought Bitcoin. But I watched this happen, bro. And the feeling of watching this happen and not making any money on it, bro, I was sick. I was absolutely sick. And
And then
as the
it
market
fucking
went up, people were making money. They were happy. It was awesome. It was great. And I was over here like, dude, I just missed like the opportunity of a lifetime. That's how I felt, bro. And then Bitcoin retraced a little bit, and I was like, and I just moved to Clearwater, and I was working at Clearwater Golf Debate, and I started telling everybody at my work, I said, dude, buy Bitcoin, because dude, it was a perfect 50% 618 retracement. I'm thinking, dude, we're sending, we're fucking off, bro, baby. Like I didn't think we were coming back down, and dude, I'm buying. Market drops. Fuck, bro. Like everything I'm buying up here, I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Life's great. I'm back to profit, negative, profit, negative, profit, negative, profit, negative. Boom. I'm like, fuck, bro. But then it comes down here. And this is where I start to realize, like, yo, bro, this is where Joe Byron and his whole foundation, forget what you believe in, but this is where they changed the definition of what a recession was. They said, no, 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 no. What a recession used to be is no longer a recession. And that led me to another thing because words cast spells. You can't, right? Everything you say is cast a spell. I need to stop saying I'm sick. 'Cause I'm not sick. I'm healthy, blessed, and highly favored. But words cast spells. And if you look up, right, we define, you can see I look up a lot of definitions and words. What is a recession? There's a couple of different words, right? You have the one that people refer to in finance, but what is the actual, what does recession mean? Forget finance, bro. What does recession mean? The action of receding, right? Motion away from the observer. So if I observe something close to me and it moves away, it recesses away and it goes away from me. It leaves. It's recessing. Sorry, my cats are boxing back here. I gotta slap the damn bed.
bro, my dog's being mad annoying right now too.
Like brother over here hissing and shit. Um, but a recession, and dude,
Puppy.
this is, and the reason I'm bringing all this up because again, for me, this is really what taught me kind of my mentality I have now, even though it's been 10 years for me in the game, bro. I've been preaching a lot of this stuff for a while, but it really finally hit me around these times. And I'm like, dude, everybody's saying Bitcoin's a recession. Big fuckers. Bitcoin's a recession. Bitcoin's a scam. Jamie Dimon saying frick Bitcoin. BlackRock says it's a scam. Don't do it. Warren Buffett, his partner, I can't even think of his freaking name, that old hag that died, but smart guys, right? Traditional finance. They're smart dudes. Peter Schiff's been talking shit about Bitcoin since before inception, probably.
I
But
think
and he'll
Jim
never
Cramer
stop.
finally just said to buy Bitcoin the other day.
Oh God. But dude, the market was in a recession. We were retracing here, is what everybody else was saying. But for me, I observed from over here. The market wasn't in a recession, bro. It was in a retracement. And that's when my mindset flipped because we weren't, it wasn't in a recession, bro. We were in a retracement. I watched from over here. The object moved away from me. The object came back to me. We weren't in a recession, bro. It was a retracement. We came back to these levels, and then you start learning the things about money, what money is, what money isn't, Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is. You look into right. I have the Bitcoin white paper here, bro. I've read it a few times. We've done a awesome podcast with it as well, where Garrison and I actually read over it and kind of explain it and break it down. Another amazing thing because, dude, if you can understand that, then you understand how powerful this is. And it doesn't matter if you bought here, 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 wherever. It doesn't matter because ultimately, bro, you listen to Michael Saylor, bro, he's gonna be buying the top forever. He just bought $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin at 88K at this red level. Just bought it the other day.
The
So
US is about to put it in order to buy $57 million a day.
it's insane, bro. But give me 1 second, bro. These kids are crying. I gotta go check on them.
Yeah, I'm about to jump off too in a second.
For sure. But dude, if you guys have any more questions, throw them in the Discord. I'm gonna stop the recording. I'm gonna upload it, but I gotta stop these fighting cats and crying kids. It's a wild Friday night for me, boys. But thank you guys for hopping on Set Sail. Appreciate you, bro. Jax, thanks, bro. Garrison's on a
Woo!
Twitter space. Join him on there. But I am out and we are stopping the recording. Peace, guys. Have a good Friday.